Hi guys, this is Daniel with Houston Camera Exchange. We are gonna be taking the first look at the Godox Lux Master. That's their new flash that they just came out with. We just received it in the store today. This is from their retro series. If you're familiar with it, they have the junior, the senior, and now we have their master. A lot of the community that uses flash has been asking for handheld flash. So this is their answer to what we need. So we're gonna take the first look at this. Let's see here, nice little packaging. Open it here, get this guys out of the way. Whoop, whoop. Okay, we are back. So we have the flash here. Nice little design. Again, they're with their retro look. This is a nice little cover that they have for the bulb, so you don't damage it. Please take care of it. And nice little bulb here. Boom, same kind of design as the Lux Senior. If you're familiar, try not to touch the bulb of my flashes with my fingers. So I'm personally gonna be doing this to kind of just secure the flash for me and make sure that I don't damage it. Let's see what else we got on the box. I believe this is a nice little pouch for you to store it once you are ready to go. And then this one, what do we have? So here we have the charging cable and a PC sync. So you could use this with all film cameras, as well as newer cameras. And this is their plate. Again, same design as the Lux Senior. I have this here. It opens up, but we are actually going to put it on the flash first before we do any of that. It's a easy boom. Here is the release cable. So this is basically a release button. You hold it and twist. So I'm gonna go back to this, and it's very simple. Boom. Once you hear the click, that's when you know you're good to go. I'm gonna put this to the side, and this opens up very nicely here. It's a little rugged, so you have to be very careful when you're opening it. And boom, it has a nice little clip here. You have to make sure that it's open all the way out, and boom, once it clicks, you're pretty much good to go. Pop that guide out, and it does have some movement here. You can do straightforward, or you can do up if you want to kind of bounce it off the walls and the ceilings. You can do that. It is nice and touchscreen. So you turn it on, it kind of has this lock mechanism, so you can actually unlock the flash. You can either do a touchscreen, or you can use the little bar here. So once we unlock it, we can actually access the flash. It has different modes: manual, multi, auto, and TTL. I'm gonna do a manual for today. And manual, good to go. It does have channels, wireless, so you can connect it to your trigger. That's how you actually gonna be using this guy. You can only fire it off trigger or using the PC sync. So let's put this to the side. It also comes with this nice little plate for you to do this with your camera. This is gonna go to this side. So this is in case you wanted to do on-camera flash. You would put this plate on the bottom of your camera. Boom, boom. And then you put the flash right on the side. And once you got this guy here, you got this nice retro look. This can get in the way, so you can use it as a handle, but I feel like it would be useful when it comes to prime angle lenses, prime focal lens, because if you have to zoom, this kind of gets in the way. So you can use it as a nice little grip here, size, and again, it gives you that retro look that they've been going for with this Lux series. Again, to do fire, you do need a trigger, so we're gonna have to set that on real quick. We're gonna be using the X Pro 1 for this, just to demonstrate it. Turn the flash on. They do need to be on the same channel and group. So see here in the trigger, we're in channel 1, group A, and do channel 1 on the flash as well. It is, again, nice and touchscreen. Here, if you want to choose the channels, you can do that, or you can do this right here, whichever feels best for you. So we're gonna do, again, channel 1, boom, that's good to go, and group A, good to go. So beautiful. That'll be your on-camera setup. Again, this guide is kind of answering what the community is being asking about handhelding flash. So I don't see me myself using this personally. This is more if you wanna, again, have that retro look and you go to your events, wanna be different, and you're definitely gonna pull some eyes when you have this out. But we're gonna do what it's meant to be, because they gave you a nice little grip for you to be able to hand hold it. It's kind of like a leather that gives you a nice little grip on it, and that way you can basically, I don't know, if you ask me, I think this is pretty cool. Power wise, it should be around the same wattage of the B1 and the A60. So it's just like a regular speed light, very powerful, if you ask me, for nice little retro flash. It is USB charging, so it doesn't take any batteries. You just have to make sure you charge it. I believe it takes about 2 hours to be fully charged, and after that you have about 480 shots roughly there of full power shots. So basically, if you have the flash at full power, you will get around 480 shots. Very simple, very user-friendly. It doesn't have a lot of options. It's, again, just multi, manual, or auto, which auto I'm guessing will be the same as TTL. I'm gonna have to do a little more research on that. And I'm actually really happy about this. I think it's very nice and light for you to actually be able to handheld. I've tried the handhelding, but I never actually got something that was light enough for this. This is kind of changing my mind about actually going out and doing handholding shots. For my street photography, I'm sure I'm gonna be pulling some faces with this. So I can't wait to actually get myself one and put it out to the test so we can see. So we're gonna unbox it again. We're gonna put it back in the box so we can see how easy it is to store. I like to pop the thing. I don't want to pop it with my fingers. I'm gonna do boom, churd. This here, we're going to release it. Boom, get it all out, very easy. And unclick it here, and then you can close it. Boop. I really like this pouch that they give you, a nice little texture to it. So you can store it and pretty much be good to go on your travels, on your backpack, anywhere you want to go to. This little thing that I said to not lose earlier. Most people will lose it, I know for sure, but this will be protecting your bulb. So it might not look important, but it actually is very important. So make sure you don't lose this little guy. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this flash. Godox been listening to what the community wants, and this is their answer. So we're gonna hopefully take it to a test. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we just got these guys into the store today. So if you would like to pick one up, you're more than welcome to come into our store, 5900 Richmond Avenue, and take a look at this new fancy flash. Again, I cannot wait to put this out. I think it's going to be a really good seller from Godox, because again, this is what the community has been asking. So hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for more.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'd love for you to visit us in store at 5900 Richmond Avenue.